In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange pages in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever received a PDF where the pages aren't in the order you want, this quick process will help you fix that in just a few moments, without recreating the document from scratch. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once the document is on screen, you're ready to access the page organizer. On the left side of the window, look for the Pages icon. It typically looks like a small grid of page thumbnails. Clicking this opens a panel that shows miniature previews of every page in your document, letting you see the whole structure at a glance. If your workspace looks different and you don't immediately see the icon, hover your cursor along the left edge of the window to reveal the navigation pane. You can also widen that pane by dragging its border so the thumbnails are easier to view. Now, to reorder pages, simply click and hold the thumbnail of the page you want to move. As you drag it up or down the list, you'll see a visual indicator showing where the page will land. When the blue line appears in the position you want, release the mouse. Acrobat instantly updates the order, and the page numbers adjust automatically to reflect the new position. This is a live preview, so you can move pages around as much as you need until it looks right. A few tips can make this go even smoother. If you're working with a long document, scroll the thumbnails with your mouse wheel while you're dragging to quickly reach distant sections. If you accidentally drop a page in the wrong place, use Undo to revert the change and try again. Making the thumbnails larger can help with precision. Just adjust the size control inside the thumbnails panel so you can clearly see page content while you drag. When you need to move a section rather than a single page, select a page thumbnail and continue dragging to reposition that section. Acrobat will keep the rest of your document intact. Once you've rearranged the pages the way you want, take a moment to scan through the thumbnails from top to bottom to confirm the flow is correct. That visual pass helps catch any pages that might have landed slightly out of place. And that's all there is to it. Open your file, click the Pages icon on the left, and drag a page to rearrange. It's a simple, reliable way to clean up your PDF's order and present your content exactly how you intend.